Hello friends, this is Mr. Vipul Sonsare. Once again welcome you in our new video lecture. Today we are going to see a new topic, that is trichomes. So we will see what is meant by trichomes, which are the different functions performed by the trichomes, and the different types of trichomes found in various plants along with their examples. So the trichomes are nothing but a epidermal cell outgrowth. These are the outgrowth of epidermal cells, or simply these trichomes are termed as a plant hairs. The trichome structurally contain two different parts, that is root and body. These are the two different parts. Then most important point, these trichomes are absent in root of plants. The trichome perform the secretory function responsible for excretion of water and volatile oils. In the plants where the volatile oil is a major chemical constituent, in that plants the trichomes are responsible for the excretion of the volatile oils. For example, the peppermint plant. Next, the special type of trichomes, that is hydatoid type of trichomes. These trichomes are responsible for absorption as well as secretion of water. Example, pipe beetle. Just see the classification of different trichomes. So the trichomes are classified into three different types. So first is covering trichomes, second is glandular trichomes, and third is hydatodes. Right? Now each trichome is again divided into different subtypes, that also we will see. So the covering trichomes are again divided into two types, that is unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular covering trichomes contain the single cell, these are the single cell trichomes, whereas multicellular covering trichomes contain more than one cells. So these unicellular covering trichomes again divided into five different types. So first is lignified trichomes, second is strongly waved and thick trichome, third is short, sharp and curved trichomes, fourth is short and conical trichomes, and fifth is long and conical trichomes. These are the five different subtypes of unicellular covering trichomes. Next, the multicellular trichomes. These are again divided into two types, that is unbranched and branch. Just see the unicellular covering trichomes. These unicellular covering trichomes contain the single cell, and generally these are the elongated, sharp covering trichomes. So here you can see in diagram, these are the single cell containing trichomes and elongated and sharp. So first type is lignified unicellular covering trichomes. These lignified trichomes contain the lignin in the trichomes. So examples are Naxomica and Strophanthus. These are the two different plants. Next, short, sharp and curved unicellular covering trichomes. These are the short trichomes which are the end is sharp and the curve and made up of single cell. So these are the short, sharp and curved unicellular covering trichomes are present in the Cannabis and Senna, two different plants. Next, the long and conical covering trichomes. These are the long trichomes with a conical shape, contain the single cell. Examples are Lobelia. Next, the short and conical, these are the short trichomes, the shape is conical. Examples are Buchua and tea, two different plants. Next, strongly waved and thick covering trichomes. These are the strongly waved trichomes and thick, their thickness is more and contain single cell. So these are the Aerabba and Aerabba xantha. This plant contain strongly waved and thick covering trichomes. Next, see the multicellular covering trichomes. The multicellular trichomes are divided into two types, branched and unbranched. This branched trichome contains the branching, right? So first is peltate. You can see in diagram, this peltate multicellular trichomes, the shape is like a plate. Examples is Humulus. So in Humulus plant, this peltate shape covering trichomes are present. Next, candelabra. These are the sharp and elongated multicellular trichomes. with branching. So examples are Verbascum thapsus. This plant contain the candelabra type covering trichomes. Next, the T-shaped covering trichomes. The shape of trichome is like a capital letter T. You can see here. So examples are Artemisia and Pyrethrum. These two plants contain T-shaped multicellular covering trichomes. Next, the stellate covering trichomes. The stellate, they look like a star. So examples is Hamamelis. The stellate covering trichomes are either sessile or stalk. The sessile covering trichomes, here the stalk is absent, where the stalk stellate trichomes, these are look like a star with stalk. The stalk is present. Next, the multicellular unbranched covering trichomes. These multicellular unbranched covering trichomes, they contain more than one cell, but these are unbranched trichomes. These are the either single or multiple layer trichomes without branching. So they are divided into different types like uniseriate, biseriate and multiseriate. Uniseriate trichomes, here the multiple cells are arranged in a single layer. You can see here. Whereas a biseriate contain the two different layers of cells, and multiseriate contain more than two layers of cells. So the uniseriate trichomes, these are divided into different types based on the number of cells. So first is 2-cell conical trichomes, the present in Dhatura. Then 3-cell long uniseriate trichomes, that is example is Stramonium. Then 3 to 7 cell long trichomes, example is Digitalis, and 4 to 5 cell long trichomes, example is Belladonna. So this classification is based on the number of cells in the trichomes. Like here in diagram 4 cells are there, right? So these are the uniseriate trichomes. Next, biseriate trichomes. These biseriate trichomes are again multicellular trichomes. So cells are arranged in 2 layers. So 2 different layers are there. Example is Calendula officinalis. Next, multiseriate trichomes, here you can see more than 2 layers of cells. So example is male fern. The male fern plant contains multiseriate trichomes. Next, the glandular trichomes. The shape of these trichomes is different than the covering trichomes. These glandular trichomes contain 2 different parts. So first is head. You can see here the spherical head and stalk. So these are again divided into different types. So unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular trichomes contain single cell. Multicellular trichomes contain more than one cell. So unicellular trichomes, example is Vasica. So in Adathoda vasica, belonging to family Acanthaceae. This plant contains the unicellular glandular trichomes. Here you can see the unicellular single cell in head and stalk. The multicellular trichomes are found in Digitalis and Belladonna. These are 2 different plants. Digitalis, the glycosides, cardiac glycosides are present. The Belladonna, alkaloids are present, tropin alkaloids. These 2 plants contain the glandular trichomes, which are multicellular in nature. So in Digitalis, the trichomes are multicellular, where the head of the trichome is bicellular. Bicellular head, here you can see 2 different cells are there in head, and the unicellular stalk. The stalk contain only one cell, but the head is bicellular. That's why this is multicellular trichomes. Next, the Belladonna, again the stalk of this trichomes found in Belladonna is unicellular stalk, and is single cell stalk, and the cell head is basically made up of 2 to 4 cells, but the stalk is unicellular. So this is the different types of glandular trichomes. Just see the question. The microscopic characteristics of trichomes found in Digitalis purpurea. So Digitalis contain both types of trichomes, that is covering as well as glandular. So based on the options, you have to select the correct answer. Now here all 4 options are belonging to, they have not mentioned as such whether it is unicell covering or glandular, but based on the option you can find out that these all options are for covering trichomes. So which is the type of covering trichomes found in digitalis? It is multicellular trichomes. So you can neglect two different options, that is option 1 and option 4. You can neglect easily. Then these option 2 and 3, the both contain multicellular trichomes. Uniseriate, again same in both options. The number of cells are different. So digitalis contain 2 to 7 cells. Multicellular uniseriate trichomes. So correct option is option 2. That is multicellular uniseriate trichomes made up of 2 to 7 cells. So in this manner the question may ask in your competitive examinations like a GPAT. Thank you.